Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum. This is Ismailia Youth Services School, Muhammadi Girls School, online session 2021, 15 June 2021. Welcome in English class 4. Before starting the topic, I request everyone to keep book, pencil, and notebook with you. If you want to ask any question, you can ask at the end by raising your hand or typing in the chat box. If there is any disconnectivity due to power breakdown during lecture, so don't so you are not supposed to leave the meeting. You should try to join again after 5 or 10 minutes. Today we will continue our lesson, our unit number 3, the artist. Before starting the topics, I'm going to give you some objectives. The students will be able to understand and comprehend what art is. What art is. Learn new words about text, able to answer the questions. Let's have a look in your book, uh, page number 32, the artist. Before starting the lesson, I want to ask something to you. Do you like to paint? Yes, everyone student likes to paint. Who's your favorite artist? Here artist means who paints something. Okay, so do you like painting? Most of the students like painting, and someone must have the favorite artist. Find out some of his or her famous work. Okay, let's have a look the page number 32. We will start our text over here. 28 May 2012. I'm gonna reading text for you. Just listen very carefully with the correct pronunciations. Underline the difficult words. We will find out their meanings today. We will find out the new words and listen the text very carefully. Understand the text very carefully. Then you will be able to answer the textual question answer. Okay. So today we will do all this task now. It was another dreadful day. I hated art class. Everyone else seemed to love mucking about with pencils and colors. We have quite a few artists in the class. There is Nat, who can draw beautiful sketches with amazing detail, and there is Dexter, who churns out fantastic landscape. Even my friend. Everyone, you must have a book, course book. So let's have a look to page number 32. I have been reading from the page number 32. Okay, just listen very carefully. So you will be able to read the text with the correct pronunciation. Okay. We have quite a few artists in the class. There is Ned, who can draw beautiful sketches with amazing detail, and there is Dexter, who churns out fantastic landscapes. There is a date mentioned 28 May 2012. It means someone is writing along with a particular day, and it was another dreadful day. It means that the author is writing uh, about uh, him about him now. It was another dreadful day. He's talking about a day. One day he's describing in his diary. Author is describing. Author means the person who's writing something. We call them author. It was another dreadful day. I hated art class. Who's hated art class? Definitely author hated art class. Who's writing about? Okay, the person who's writing about himself, so we call them author. Author hated art class. Everyone else seemed to love mucking about with pencils and colors because mostly the student like paint. There is the rare one students who don't like painting, in which the author didn't like painting. So he's talking about his class scenario, what was going on the 28th May 2012. We have quite a few artists in the class. Like in our class, we must have some best students who draw well. Uh, there is some specialities of the students. Some who has a beautiful writing, some who can write very beautifully, some who can speak very fluently. Someone is special in drawing. So it's similar in the author's class. There is some student who is a very good art, who are very good artists. Like there is a Ned who can draw beautiful sketches with amazing detail, and there is a Dexter. It means that in author's class there are some students who their drawing are very well. They are good in the art. So who's one? Ned and Dexter. Okay, who churns out fantastic landscapes. Even my friend Suzanne had won consolation prize at the inter-school drawing competition with her landscape painting. It means that in the authors class, there are very good artists like Ned, Dexter, or Suzanne. Suzanne, author's friend. Okay, they won the actually Suzanne won the consolation prize in the inter-school drawing competition. Okay, now author is again saying that again is in writing. Our school is known for its innovative approach. What this means is that we regularly have poets, environmentalists, poets who writes poem, okay, environmentalists um, who observe the environment, mountaineers who claim the mountain, and even doctors lecturing us. As if the daily dread of art class wasn't enough to drive me to despair, tomorrow there will be an art expert coming to school to talk to us. It, here, this means that he's talking about that he doesn't like painting, he doesn't like drawing, he doesn't like art. Okay, and dreadful day uh, will come in his life because the art expert will come in his school. He's talking about that a dreadful day is coming because the art expert is coming in his school. Whose school? Author's school. As part of the show, we have to paint while he walks around giving us his expert comments. It means that he's saying that when the art expert will come in our school, so what we have to do, we have to paint. It means that author has to paint while the art experts walks around giving us his expert comments, and it means that the art expert will give him comments. So he was scared because he doesn't know he doesn't like art. Okay, so it means that he doesn't know how to draw. So he was scared that uh, if you don't know to how to draw, or how if you don't like art now, and if someone coming in your school, so you must be scared that the art expert will come in the class, and maybe what comments he will give you in front of the class, and it would be the embarrassing moment for you. So all these things make him author is scared now. So what could happen when he will come in the class, and he will definitely give me the remarks which would be which would make me embarrassing. All this make him embarrassing. So he was scared, he was very in a fearful mood. What am I going to do? Definitely author was scared, so he was thinking what I'm going to do. Is the cat going to be out of the bag finally? Here the author is using proverb, is the cat going to be out of the bag finally? It means that someone's secret will be open in front of the class, in front of anyone. Is the cat going to be out of the bag finally means someone's secret will be open in front of anyone. Okay, let's move further. 29th May 2012. It means that here he was talking about the 20th May because the art expert has to come on this day. And 29th May, it means that the art expert has come in his class, and the day come and the day comes. He was scaring about this day, and the day has come. So what will happen? Let's see. The most unimaginable thing happened today. Unimaginable, he never think before. Unimaginable, you cannot imagine. Okay, unimaginable means you cannot imagine what will happen. So the most unimaginable thing happened today. The art expert came to school today. He was the exact opposite of what I had expected. He was young, of medium height, and he bounced into the class with hair flopping down over his rimless spectacles. Spectacles means glasses he wears. He even said good morning in a lovely noise, and with a twinkle in his eyes. He seemed like a nice guy. After giving us a brief introduction about himself, the art expert told us to start working on our canvases. Canvases means the frame in which artists draw something or paint something. So, what we call them? Canvases. My canvas was as blank. Canvas means white fabric, uh, 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 white fabric fitted with the wood, okay, in which the artist paint something. My canvases was as blank as my mind. I couldn't bear to mess it up. I didn't know what to do. I was scared that everyone would know my secret once I started to paint. The author was very scared. The author was very scared. He was thinking that if I started to paint, everyone would know that I don't I couldn't paint on the canvases, and I don't know about it, and everyone would laugh at me. He was thinking that everyone would laugh at me. And you know what was the secret behind it? You will know side by side. Okay, we will find out why he was so much scaring. Okay, uh, we will find out when we will completed our text. Then I saw the art expert approaching. I quickly grabbed the first tube of paint I could find and began to dab it all over the canvas. What he did? Then I saw the art expert approaching. It means that when he saw that the art expert was coming towards him, what he started to do, I quickly grabbed the first tube of paint. It means he grabbed means catch something in a very strong way. He quickly grabbed the first tube of paint I could find, the began to dab it all over the canvas. He just picked up one tube of painting, tube of paint, and then he started to paint all over the canvas. Dab. Then I picked up another and another. I savagely dabbed paint in wild strokes. Strokes like a shades, na? He started to shades, paint in wild way. Not in a proper way. He just do it whatever he wants all over the canvas. I was in great panic and fear. Panic means he was very in a worry mood. He was very in a tension. I was in great panic and fear. Fear means scaring me. I was almost in tears when I finally stopped and dropped my brush. Okay, and what would happen? Let's see. You would never believe what happened next. The art expert applauded. Applauded means the art expert appreciated him and started to clap for him. Everyone stopped working and started looking at us. Whenever you in the class and you were doing your test or whatever, and the teacher came near to you and started clapping to you or applauded to you. So definitely everyone stopped working and started looking at you. So same thing happened with the author. Um, Everyone stopped working and started looking at us. The art expert declared, "Marvelous." Can you imagine this? What this comments expect from the art expert? We have been text thoroughly, and can you imagine this word would be delivered by the art expert for the author? Because we all know that he doesn't know the art. So how could art expert deliver this kind of comments? But he commented that marvelous means splendid. Splendid. You have the instinct. I was stunned. It means that the art expert is giving him good remarks, okay, giving him the art expert is appreciating him, that whatever he did, that was the awesome. He loved my mess. He couldn't tell what I was colorblind. Is he really an art expert, or was I just plain lucky? So, what was the reason behind for the author? Why he was so scared for the art, or why he was scaring for the drawing? The reason behind is that he was a color blind. Color blind. Do you know what are the person means? The person who cannot identify the dark colors. Color blinds means the person who cannot identify, who cannot distinguish between the red color and the maroon color, green color or sea green color. They cannot find out what is the sea green color, what is the dark green color, what is the dark brown. uh, we call them color blind people. Okay, so what was the reason behind that for the author? He was so scared for the art or the drawing. He was a color blind. That's why he was scared, and he was thinking that the art expert will find out my secret and he will open in front of the class, and that will be the embarrassing moment for me to the class, that we rest of the class will know that I am the color blind. So that's why the author was scared. uh, it was a close shave. I went thought today's ordeal without anyone knowing my secret. I wonder how long it would be before they discover that I am colorblind. I wonder how much longer I have to read every art class. It means that do you know, is it happen with you that you must have some lacking, and you don't want to share with anyone, and you want to hide it from the rest, your friends or your colleagues, and if something happen, so you should say that. Okay, so let's move on our reading comprehension. Circle the correct option. What approach did the author's school follow? Artistic approach, scientific approach, or innovative approach? Definitely, it is innovative approach. Okay, so let's do it. I'm keeping you remind you student, do do course book work in the course book. Okay, there is no need to copy down the course book work in the copy. Okay, course book work will be done in the course book. Next is the who didn't have any artistic skills. The author didn't have any artistic skills. Okay, we have done the lecture, we have understood the lecture. We are going to do start reading comprehension, which is mentioned in your page number 34. Okay, let's do it. Circle the correct option. First we have done what approach did the author's school follow. It was innovative approach. And the next one is who didn't have any artistic skill. Author, we all know that author did not have an artistic skill. The third one is this: what does drive me to despair mean? Okay, here it means to feel extremely discouraged. to feel extremely discouraged. And why was the art expert invited to the author's school? Here, to give talk and comment to the students' work. Okay, you have to choose the correct one. And what was the author's greatest fear? Author's greatest fear was his secret would be revealed. Reveal means his secret would be open in front of the class. Okay, let's do this one. Take the words that match the art expert's personality. Discuss with the class with why you have chosen these words. So you have to do it by yourself. First one is the nice, energetic, foolish, mischievous, friendly, irresponsible, tricky, proud, or smart. So you have to select the correct one. You have to select with yourself. Okay, this activity you have to do yourself, and let's do the match the character traits of the author with what he did or how he felt. Number one, he grabbed whatever paints he could lay hands on and covered his canvas with them. Impulsive. Okay, he went through many art classes without people knowing he was colorblind. Shrewd, he constantly worried that his secret would be revealed. Pessimistic, he didn't seek help for his problem. Foolish. He knew exactly what his classmates had painted. Observant. Okay. Let's take a screenshot and we will move further. Okay. This work will be done in the copy. New words. Applauded. Dreadful. Landscape. Innovative approach. Environmentalist. Panic. Colorblind. Marvelous. Take a screenshot and we will move further. Let's do the words meaning. Number one, dreadful. Here, the dreadful means fearful. Mucking. Mucking means remove dirt. Churns. Churns mean beat, whisk. Landscape means scenery. Environmentalist who works to protect the environment. Consolation prize. Prize given to the failure encouragement. Innovations, modern. Take a screenshot and we will move further. Okay, we are doing continue the words meaning. Okay, the text is very lengthy, so we I found some difficult words to you. Despair, hopeless. Mountaineers, mountain climber. Despair, hopeless. Bounce, move towards original. Flopping down, put something down. Rimless, floating. Spectacle, something seen. Canvas, fabric used for painting. Grab, caught. Take a screenshot and we will move further. Strokes, short. Savagely, violent. Uploaded, clap. Stern, shocked. Shape, cut off. Ordeal, unpleasant experience. Student, I have chosen lots of words meaning for you because it will be easy to you to understand about the difficult words. Okay, let's take a screenshot and we will move further. Textual question answers. Okay, the first one is, did the author like art classes? Give reasons to support your answer. So we have chosen this no, because he was afraid people would find out his secret, that he was a color blind. He was a color blind. And the next question, what was the author's secret? He was a color blind. What unimaginable thing happened on 29th May 2012? Remember, this question is related to the 29th May, not 28th May. Okay, 29 May, what was happened? Firstly, the art expert turned out to be a cheerful young man. And secondly, when asked to paint narrator means author, quickly dabbled paint all over the canvas, which was much appreciated by the art expert. What did author do when the art expert approached him? What did the author do when the art expert approached him? He painted his canvas savagely with whatever colored paint he could grab. Next question, why did the art expert upload it? The art expert felt that the author's work was marvelous. Okay, marvelous. In the marvelous, we will do Marvelous. Marvelous double L will come. In question number 6, if you were the author, what would you do about your secret? Answer is, if I were the author, I would tell my secret to the class. Take a screenshot and keep in your mind, student, copy work will be done in the copy, course book will it will be done in the course book. Okay, so here I'm repeating you the question answer slides, so it will be easy for you to take the screenshots and words meaning. Okay, here the new words, take a screenshot for this. Take the new words meaning screenshot. It will be easy for you to understand the text. If you are having the meanings, it will be easy for you to understand the text again. Text the Again, read the text along with the words meaning again at your home. Okay, do very neat and clean work in your copy, and do write question by the black pointer, and answer will be written by the fountain pen, blue fountain pen. Okay, blue ink pen. Remember, question will be done by the black pointer. Don't use black cut marker for writing the question. Okay, just use the black pointer for the question, and don't use blue pointer for the answer. Kindly use blue fountain pen, ink pen, blue ink pen. Okay, take the screenshot, and it will be easy for you to take a screenshot. It will be easy to you to do work in the copy. Here we have done the 6 question. Question number 1, question number 2, question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, take a screenshot of these question answers. I'm showing you again what we have done today. We have done the text, the art, okay, and this one, take a screenshot. This work will be done in the course book, okay, page number 35. There's no need this work to be copied down in the copy. Do course book work in the course book, okay, and do copy work will be done in the copy. New words, only you will draw the title page of the unit number 3, the artist. Okay, then you will write the new words, then you will write words meaning and the textual question answers, and keep in your mind question will be done by the black